Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Southeast governors launches security outfits. Please subscribe to our channel and let's go there. After several disagreements in the past, at which some of the governors walked out on themselves during such discussions and security meetings, Southeast governors launches regional security outfits. Many Southeasterners believe their governors cared not about the security of the region because of their usual behaviors on security matters. There is a feeling that their recent resolve was born out of the coming of ESN Security Network, the Eastern Security Network, an outfit they consider as an outlaw because they are not confident with the indigenous people of Biafra which battered ESN. Now, let's look at the story. The 5 governors of the Southeast region on this day, Sunday, 10th April 2021, launched EBUBEAGU Regional Security to fight, according to them, terrorism in the zone. The chairman, Southeast Governors Forum and Governor of Ebonyi State, Dave Umahi, disclosed this to newsmen at the Imo Government House alongside with other Southeast governors. According to him, the regional security would be joint vigilante from Southeast with their headquarters in Enugu State. It will be recalled that the newsmen had reported that following the wave of attacks on public institutions, especially the police station in the Southeast zone, the 5 governors of the Southeast have stormed Owerri on the Sunday, 10th April 2021, to take strong decision on the issue of insecurity in the zone. The governors in attendance were Governor of Abia State, Okezie Ikpeazu, Anambra Willie Obiano, Enugu Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, Ebonyi Dave Umahi, and the host governor, Hope Uzodinma. Also sitting alongside with the Southeast governors included the President General of Ohaneze Ndibo worldwide, the one faction of the Ohaneze, Professor George Obiazo, as well as some top security chiefs in the zone. Viewers, some people will say Agwa and Olgona Akreka. EBUBEAGU Security outfit has been launched by Southeast governors. What do you think, viewers? Was this a newly launched outfit formed to displace ESN or really combat the real crime faced by the region, which is herdsmen menace? What are we going to expect, as they have spelled it out that they are opposed to ESN from the start? Not just opposed to ESN, they made mention of attack on government facilities, which include the attack on Imo State police headquarters, the release of prisoners. What do you think? Please add your comment on the comment section. Meanwhile, prior to this meeting, Rochas has attacked Governor Hope Uzodinma over a comment the governor made on IPOB. You know, the governor, like we said, was being diplomatic. Anyway, let's look at it. The Imo State governor, former Imo State Governor Rochas attacked Uzodinma as he said that the politicians are not IPOB are responsible for Imo's attack. The attack on the police headquarters. He said it wasn't IPOB or ESN or whatever, that the attack was by a former governor. And Rochas believed he was pointing fingers at him. So it was on this note that the Imo State chapter of the People's Democratic Party on Thursday last week said that Monday's attack on Owerri Correctional Center and the State Police Command headquarters were indications that Governor Hope Uzodinma had failed. During a press conference in Owerri, the state capital, the PDP chairman in the state, Charles Ugwu, urged the governor to stop the blame game and take responsibility. With this, the PDP chairman stated that the high rate of insecurity in the state since December was a proof that the governor had nothing to offer to the people of the state. Ugwu, who traced the trajectory of the insecurity from Olu zone to Okigwe zone and Owerri zone, expressed so much worry that the state was sitting on a keg of gunpowder. The fact is that Uzodinma was imposed on Imo people. He never even came third in the gubernatorial elections, but the Supreme Court removed the democratically elected governor, Emeki Hedioha, and installed Uzodinma. That has made him an enemy of almost the majority of Imo people who knew what they wanted. Uzodinma further dissatisfied the people of the state by choosing to unsettle ESN in Olu, inviting the military to crush them. Having finished in Olu, it was as if he was successful with that move until some unknown gunmen stormed police headquarters in the state and the correctional facilities and destroyed it, released prisoners, with majority IPOB members that were held there freed. Well, in discussion with some friends, someone suggested the governor is afraid of calling out the actual culprits of the attack. Meanwhile, the person also added that Hope Uzodinma is trickish and will go against ESN like he did in Olu. Could this be why the governor's meeting on formation of the EBUBEAGU Security outfit was hosted by Imo State? What do you think? Please add your comment on the comment section. Egwu abago na egwu ndị okenye. In conclusion, we'd like to look at the story of an Igbo businessman. He shared the throwback photo of when he was struggling in life, and according to him, it pays to be diligent, consistent, and persistent with whatever you are doing, especially when it comes to work. There is an old saying that goes, whatever is worth doing is worth doing well. Rome was not built in a day, so to reach greatness, you will have to put in effort. Many great men would have a successful story to share, and in such story, consistency and diligence will often be highlighted. A rich Igbo businessman, Maxman Chinedu Ijeoma, decided to motivate his followers on his Facebook page after he shared a throwback photo of himself during his days of struggle. From the photo, one can tell that life was not always a bed of roses for him, but now he's growing so much in his business. It is always hard to start, but with time, consistent pays. He is the popular CEO of the investment company Chinmark Group, which is becoming very popular. See the post he made showing his throwback photo. In his caption to the photo, he advised all hustlers to work hard, as one day their hard work will eventually pay off. Now take a look at his recent photos. Check out the transformation. Look at all the photos you are seeing on the screen. And the following photos where he was helping people. Many people who reacted has praised him for his consistency and prayed for him because of the good he has been doing for people. Please, viewers, add your comment, tell us what you think. This is where we draw the curtain on this show. It has been an interesting week. And Monday is going to be interesting with the new development, the formation of the EBUBEAGU Regional Security Network by the Southeast governors, hosted by Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma. Meanwhile, according to them, Umahi, who is the chairman of the Southeast Governors, he said the location of the newly formed outfit at the headquarters will be in Enugu. What do you think? I know this is already sending signals in our Igbo. Add your comments, tell us what you think. Please share this video widely. If you have not also subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get our updates anytime it drops. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.